Today we're gonna harvest, batter, and cook, fry actually, some dandelion flowers. One Earth Collaborative Sanctuary has opened their land up to me. Everything here is sustainably managed, it's organic. I know I'm not gonna be feeding my kids some pesticides, some herbicides, more poison, like everything else in life. So let's get started. I'm gonna harvest them up and show you every step of it from start to table. Let's do this. All right, the whole goal while you're picking these is to try not to have the stem. Use some thumbnail, pop it off. Right there, keep the green, keep the yellows. You can mostly do it, if you do it right, actually coming from underneath. Use your thumbnail while you're popping them, and you can make short work of it. Right, I'm losing the light here with the evening, which is, I'm learning lessons. This is my first time recording while I'm cooking outside. I've never paid attention to the sun before, so bear with me. Fries are in, they're cooking, they'll be up soon. I've got the dandelions soaking in salt water right here. Nice little strainer basket. Pull it out, give them a good shake. Clear this out of the way. All right, my fried dandelions are not fried, they're here. Try to get the excess moisture off of them. I've got my batter here. I'll post the recipe in the description. It is the same as I would for a fried green tomato. It's even the same that I would do for a wild edible mushroom. Anything like that gets battered. I'll post the recipe. Like I said, I'm not gonna buttermilk these. I'm not gonna egg these, nothing, because there's moisture in them. They're wet. They've been soaking all day. So I'm gonna thumb in my batter bowl here. Oh, I can't wait for these. This means it's springtime. Grew up, mom and dad both were out of Eastern Kentucky. And I guess this is where it's from. I never met too many people that's ever heard of them. But I've got this batter bowl here. I'm gonna let it soak up that flour and all them spices. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that. He's gonna be ready to go in just a minute. I'm gonna let that sit while I get ready to drop these fries again. And as soon as they come out, these will go in. Chicken's done. I'm not gonna have the tacos done tonight, but there's 2 breasts that's gonna come out for the girls. My daughter and her friend, they just eat shredded chicken with salt on it. So they'll get the fries and the chicken with salt, and then I'll bribe them into eating a fried dandelion, a little fried flower. Don't dare call them a weed. You will be harvesting these out of your yard if you ever try this. I don't know if you can see it, all this muck. That water is dirty brown. Bugs, dirt, whatever it is. It's all good, it eats. And at least pre-rinse this before you put it away or before you walk away from it tonight. So if you're gonna get it tomorrow and you don't get it tomorrow, within 2 or 3 days, that wet flour gets nasty. You'll regret it. Lessons learned the hard way. Here we go. Flour battered out. These don't take long. You're just looking to brown these up. Woo! Watch that steamer roll. Try one here. Just another minute. Oh my God, that's good. There we go. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. French fries, fried dandelions, battered fried dandelions, and the kids' chicken here. These sauces, I'll show you the picture and the recipe here in a minute. See what that's like on them. A little hot sauce. One added to hot sauce, put some paprika on it to class the joint up. Yep. This works. You pull this out at your next family barbecue, you will not disappoint. One more for good measure. Man, I like to eat. Before we lose the light, you're going to want to use, the recipe calls for all-purpose flour. What I've used here is a local farm does artisan ground flours, old heritage grains, truly organic, just really, really good stuff. But this is a Frederick's flour. Yeah, Frederick's flour. And it's John Brownstrader. Huge shout out John Brownstrader. He gave me a bunch to work with, not a bunch, but he gave me several different types. And Brownstrader Farms, they got the flour, doing artisanal ground heritage grain flour, flour. He's really put the work in and research to bring back a lot of the old heritage grains. Man, this shit works.